My name is T. Priya, that BA History, St. Mary's College, Autonomous, Thuthukudi. My topic is History, Alliance and Subject. Introduction. Introduction to History. Definition. History is the study of past events, particularly in human affairs. Important. History helps us understand social development, cultural evolution, and the cases and effects of past action. Key areas of history. Political history, study of rulers, governments and political events. Social history, focus on everyday life, social, cultural and cultural practice. Economic history, exploration of economic system, trade and production throughout time. Military history, analysis of wars, battle and military statements. Allied subjects in history, archaeology, the study of Asian artifacts and cultures. To understand human history, anthropology explains the evolution of humans and human society throughout time. Economic studies economics who have evolved, including the impact of historical events on economic systems. Interdisciplinary approach, collaboration of disciplines. History often draws from other fields to create a more comparative understanding of the past. Example, the individual revelation study that are less of economics, sociology and geography. History and archaeology. Role of archaeology provides evidence to support historical narratives. Example, excavation of the ancient site, tombs and artifacts reveal details about past society, their cultural and technology. History and anthropology. Cultural anthropology analyzes how human cultural have evolved, which is closely tied to historical events. Physical anthropology studies human evolution, which can be in history throughout prehistoric periods. History and economics. Economic history looks at evolution of trade, markets and economic system. Example, a great depression, the rise of capitalism and the role of slavery in the global economic. History and geography. Geographical impact. Geography is the course of history. Example, Silk Road routes were determined by geographical conditions. The rise of civilizations like Egypt and Mesopotamia near rivers. History and sociology. Social cultural history studies the impact of class, race and gender on societies. Example, the role of women, historical event or rise of social movement like civil rights and women's suffrage. Modern interface study. Digital history, the use of technology and data analysis to history. Public history, the practice of history outside economic settings, including museum, documents and public education. Conclusion. Recap. History is the broad and interconnected field that benefits from collaboration with other disciplines. Final thought. A multidisciplinary approach provides a more understanding of historical events. Thank you.